Hey everyone, today we will be demonstrating how to lubricate the Clearview Classic Towing Mirrors. If you are experiencing stiffness when extending, we recommend watching this video. We also recommend performing minor maintenance on your mirrors every 6 months or after any big trip to assist with your mirror life. For demonstration purposes, we have shown this process on the bench, but you can perform this while the mirrors are installed on your vehicle. First, you will need to begin by extending the mirrors into its furthest position. And with your fingers, push the inner corner of the lower glass inwards and the upper flat glass upwards to present the mirror arms. With some dry lubricant, spray the two mirror arms as demonstrated. Now that you have applied the lubricant, you will need to extend and retract the mirror arms 3 to 4 times. Now that your mirrors are lubricated, you can reset your lower and upper glass to your preferred view. Thank you for watching and enjoy your Clearview Towing Mirrors.